Games that claim to pay real rewards are only useful if they do not turn your phone into a battery drain while you play. By the end, you'll know what to check before downloading reward games and how to find options that balance gameplay, battery use, and reward features. The first thing to check is how the game actually earns you rewards. Some reward games use gameplay milestones, some use point systems, and others connect rewards to specific tasks. Before installing any game, read how rewards are earned and confirm that the activities match what you already enjoy doing. The second thing to review is battery usage. Games that constantly use graphics, background activity, or long sessions can consume more power than simple apps. Check recent reviews for comments about performance, overheating, and battery impact before spending time on a game. The third factor is the amount of time required. A game may offer rewards, but the value depends on how much effort is needed to reach them. Look for games that clearly explain progress requirements instead of forcing you to spend hours before understanding the reward system. Another important feature is transparency. A good reward game should explain how points are collected, what rewards are available, and how redemption works. Avoid games that advertise rewards but do not provide clear details about the process. You should also pay attention to updates and app performance. Regular updates can improve stability, while poor performance can make a game frustrating to use. Keep your device storage and battery health in mind before installing multiple reward games. A common mistake is assuming every game with a reward system provides the same experience. Different games can have different rules, payout methods, and requirements. Test one or two games first, and remove the ones that do not provide enough value for your time. The best reward games are not only about the rewards. They should also provide a smooth experience that works well on your device. Before downloading a reward game, check 3 things: how rewards are earned, how much time gameplay requires, and whether users report performance problems. Your next step is to review the app details and recent user feedback before installing any new reward game. If this guide helped you choose reward games more carefully, like the video, and subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps, survey platforms, and reward programs.